how you can hide or unhide your education details on the REDnote app. Whether you're keeping things private or just want to update your profile, I've got you covered. So let's jump right in. First, you'll have to open the REDnote app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are in, just tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen to access your profile page. And now what you need to do is tap on the profile tab right here, right besides the settings menu. And once you find it, you just have to scroll down until you see the education section. That's where all of your education details are listed. So just tap on it. And once you do that, to hide your education details, tap on this toggle right here. And if this is turned off, it will be hidden on your profile. And if you ever want to show your education details on your profile, just come back to the same menu and then toggle the option back on like this. And your education details now will be visible to others. Don't forget to save your changes. So once you do that, you will have the save button on the top right corner. And once you are back to your profile page, you'll see that education section is either hidden or shown on your profile like this, depending on your settings. And that's it, a quick and easy way to control the visibility of your education details on the REDnote app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.